फ्रेंड्स, कल मेरा बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रेड हुआ मैक्स हेल्थ केयर में. तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन व्हाई आई सेलेक्टेड मैक्स हेल्थ केयर. बिफोर दैट, let me explain the trade itself. So Max gave a very good opening, and the first candle closed above 815. It closed at 816.25. So I jumped in right there. Why 815? I will understand as we go along. Please stay with me. And my stop loss was low of the day, so pretty wide stop loss, I must say. And my target was 870. How 870? I'll also explain that. And giving me a beautiful risk reward ratio of 5 plus. So that means for every 1 rupee I risk, I will make 5 rupees, which is excellent in intraday trading. And now let me explain to you why I selected Max Healthcare. For that, we need to go back and go into the daily chart of Nifty Healthcare Index. Okay. Now, if you see Nifty Healthcare Index, it made a bearish engulfing candle. Right. Now, anybody who has read my book will be available in the link that is given below, will know that this is a fake bearish engulfing, and one should logically expect the high of the red candle to be taken out the very next trading session. So now that's exactly what happened. So now I started reviewing the index constituents. There are a few of them, and I shortlisted 3 stocks. One is Divis Lab, which also had a bearish engulfing, and Metropolis, which also had a bearish engulfing, and Max Health, because of one reason, and that is Fibonacci. So let me redo the lines for you. So what I did was I just took the current swing, which is from 31st of May to 10th of June, and you can see what Max was doing while the votes were being counted. Completely different to what other stocks were doing. So this was also on my relative strength list. And also, if you look at the left side, look at the number of bullish Marubosu candles this guy is putting in, right? Although there are, one could argue that there are bearish as well, but more number of bullish Marubosu than bearish for sure. And remember, I am looking at Nifty Healthcare to go up, and I am looking for a fake candle. Now this could be a potential fake candle when I started it analyzing it, this one, day before yesterday's candle. Why? Because it's exactly at the 50% retracement. It is not a perfect negative close, considering the previous candle was so bearish. It should have done a larger red candle, which it did not. But at this moment, I'm not sure if it is a bearish, it is a fake candle or not. Unlike the Nifty Healthcare Index, which is explicitly clear that it's a fake candle, here I do not know. So I want this stock, if it is fake candle, this high will be taken out pretty early in the day. What is the high? High is 815.35. Now going back to 3-minute chart, you should be able to connect my logic of closing above 815. So this close was about 816 point something, and from there my target was 870. Now you might ask, what is the significance of 870? It's again, go back to Fibonacci. You see, this is a 50% retracement, and 1.23 extension is 873, which is exactly where I closed my position. So this should explain to you my logic of selecting Max Health. So from the broadest, that is the healthcare index, I went to the constituents one by one and identified one which could be a potential fake candle. So the Divis and Metropolis I had selected in case I turned out to be wrong and it's not a fake candle, and if the market healthcare index falls down, then I was sure that Divis and Metropolis will fall. Although Metropolis did fall, but I was not tracking Metropolis because the index was going up, so I wanted to go along with the index in a stock which was going upwards. So this is the way that I find my big winners. So this is my core of my trading. I hope this is useful and you can apply the same in your trading as well, or find something similar which gives you big moves, because trading is all about your 30% of trades which will give you the big moves, and rest of the time it's about not losing money. So very simple. If you want more knowledge on this, you can always ping me, and if you find this video useful, increasing your knowledge and increasing your execution efficiency and increasing finding great trades, please do like and share this video. Much appreciated. Thank you very much. Till the next time, bye bye.